So hey there, welcome back to my channel. I'm Christine and thanks very much for joining me today for a very spontaneous unboxing and first look and review of the new Louis Vuitton Alma Backpack. I hadn't planned this purchase and I just really fell in love with the shape, and also I think that's the very best thing about it. I think it's designed extremely well. I think the Alma shape is translated beautifully into this backpack shape. I think it's definitely a hot release and it's also a very gorgeous release, but it's also so tiny. And that's something that draws me off of that one. It's way smaller than I expected. And for some reason, I don't know, I kind of connect backpacks with being a little bit more practical. And it is quite fiddly to get in and out of, so without overstretching it. The one opens about the width of the shoulder side of a key pouch. And we can see what it fits here, and it definitely fits the basics, so that's a sure thing. So it fits my phone, it fits the key pouch, and it fits a wallet. I don't think it would fit a water bottle, but it would fit sunglasses with a soft pouch. For some reason, being so small makes it just another cute mini bag. For me, that doesn't really have a special purpose except for looking pretty. And it's generally very beautifully made. I also think the quality is very nice. It's very obviously in the monogram canvas. The edges are lacquered red. There's the clochette. It has a lot of very cute details. You can immediately see the detachable straps here. So you can also change the length of the straps. So I never tried this. I think the length is very nice for how I like it. I do prefer it with the straps attached, because I think then you can see that it's a backpack shape. If you detach it, it looks a little bit lost in its shape. On the other hand, I think this bag feels extremely nice if it's handheld, even with the straps attached. I think this is an absolutely cute handheld bag. It looks adorable with outfits. I especially like it with rougher materials and khaki outfits, but it also looks good with a more elegant outfit here. So I think being so small also makes it possible to wear that one as a casual evening bag. But then there's one thing I noticed, and that's I'm petite and I'm wearing size extra small, and I still feel this bag looks kind of small on me. So that's interesting. So I feel it looks a little bit like I chose the wrong size. So maybe if it would be worn by a taller person, it would look more intentional that that's a mini design. So I'm trying to give you an impression of the size here. So I'm not 100% sure if this is for me. So it is beautiful and I just absolutely love it on its own. I think the proportions of that one work extremely well, so it is very well designed. But I don't think it's as versatile as it wants to be. So it's an absolutely gorgeous mini bag that looks like a backpack, and you can wear it in 3 different ways. So I think this is definitely a bag to add to a bigger collection. I'm not sure if I'd start the collection with that one, except if you absolutely love it, and that's fine as well. So this was the gorgeous Louis Vuitton Alma Backpack, tiny but beautiful. Let me know what you think in the comments. Thanks for watching. See you very soon. I actually got quite a few things coming up currently, so bye.